It's like it's smaller than Pepper. He's like, I'm being watched. I want that chicken. I want it.
I want it. Oh, go with Erlen.
Like, give it a hug. Do they bite?
No. They'll peck you, but
I want it.
they're not for sale.
Well, I want one.